Hello, Richard here from AEG Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokamori 416. This has had, we've put a new latch on there. This is a 3D printed one that we do. It's all working. We've got the, there was a broken castle nut, so we replaced that, or more accurately when we try to do it up, if you know what I mean, it cracks, so we put a hardened layer lax one on there. We've got service done on it. Obviously we've got a gate tighten installed, FPS piston and piston head installed, Prometheus gears 18:1 to go with the motor that was already an upgraded one, I think, that was in there, just normal brushed motor. We've got Saronic Thor hot rubber gone in there. We've got Prometheus, FPS bushings, Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring for a harder kick, and the Eagle 6 upgraded mainspring to obviously raise the FPS up, increase speed to target. We've got Latch trigger pin on the side. We always install those with the MOSFETs, and we've got the Prometheus gold bars that go in the back of the gun to allow a Dean's connection. 267 on 3.2s, and we're just going to demonstrate it all working. There we go. So all serviced and put back together again. Hopefully you enjoy the gun, and have fun. Thank you.